this video we will see the orphan and zombie process. Okay, first we will see the definitions of this. Firstly, the orphan and zombie process, these concepts are related to child process. Okay, this process, see the definition, the orphan and zombie process, these concepts are related with child process. Okay, so we know, right, the lifetime of parent and child are usually not same. Maybe in some scenarios the parent may execute first or child, or like vice versa. Okay, so the lifetime of parent and child process is not same. Okay, okay. Now, see this one. Let's say parent execution is completed, means parent process execution is completed, and child process still executing. Child process still executing. At that time the child becomes orphan. See this definition. Okay, again I am telling, parent, if parent execution is completed and child is still executing, at that time the child process becomes orphan. Okay, so who will adopt the child, who will adopt the child process? Init function, we know, right, about init function. Okay, so in previous Linux versions, the orphan process is adopted by init. Okay, after the after a child's parent terminates, if you call a get PID, you will get the value of 1. Okay, see, don't confuse, we will see the example code, then you will understand. Okay, this is about orphan process.
Love our content? Hit subscribe for more awesome videos. We'll see you in the next one.